guys, I'm Yellow Bucket, and today I'm playing Don't Touch the Spikes. Really fun game, but yeah, it's way less rich than last video with Commander Pixman. Oh my god, still have bad memories. I'm dreaming all day about the fucking game. Oh, I think, oh my god, I don't wanna play. Why did I play it? And yeah. Always the bad dreams about the bad game. No, just kidding. It's an awesome game. If you guys want to see more, just tell me in the description. Then I'll just make a little video about it. If you guys want to hear some music with some other things like gameplay, just tell what you want. Call of Duty, everything can go. Yeah, now it can. I still don't have a capture card, but I can record it with my iPad, what I'm playing on right now. Just with the camera app, and then post it. Not hard. But it won't be that good resolution, like it would be one of the poopiest video in the fucking world. Oh, now I have to edit that, and I don't want to. I'll talk some louder because I think you guys cannot understand me that good. So, I hope this is good, but yeah, want to see more? Click that subscribe button. Just fucking punch it in the fucking face. And yeah, doesn't matter if you don't. And if you guys don't know how to get this little happy plane, what? No, it's not a plane. Stupid bucket. How to get this little bird? Then just don't touch the spikes, I guess. Nice. Just go to here and then you can get some little birds. I'm trying to get them all. This one looked the funniest, and this one is round. This one is a ninja. Oh, they all wave to me. I'll wave back. Hi. Stupid planes. Planes. I mean, stupid birds. I'm so dumb. Fucking bucket. What the is it? Sorry if assistive touch is a little bit in the way, but that is just because if I don't put assistive touch in my videos, you will only see a black screen in my commentary, and I don't think you will like that. Because just it's not fun to see just a normal black screen and shit and more, I guess. But I can get a new plane. Don't say plane. Don't you dare to say fucking plane. I have a gold one. Goldberg. I'm gonna play arcade. It's a duel. Yeah, gold versus... Yeah, gold has a big eye. He's big. Bigger than that little bitch. But yeah. I like to make YouTube videos. Oh, it's a draw. What? He freed me! That's not fair. And now I'm dead again. Almost tapped on the fucking head. Oh, I have to win. If I don't win, I won't get my candy. And I have to get that candy. That is fucking weird shit, this game. Like, you just get candy by getting candy. I guess that makes sense. What am I talking about? fucking golden birds that are getting candy and calling them planes. But if you are fucking gold, like, just that purple one just have to sell you, and he gets candy for the rest of his life. And you are just dead, like falling into a spike. I think gold can't even die. This is some fucked up shit. Oh, you freeze me again! Oh, fuck you, stupid plane. Oh. I'm never gonna fly into you anymore, freezing bitch. Yes, I win. You lose! Little bitch. Don't you dare to fly into that. You fucking bitch. Oh, I don't want to play this game anymore. I thought it was less rage than Flappy Bird and Commander Pixman. Shit. Still less than Commander Pixman, but I still hate it. Oh, I win. Oh, win 3 rounds. Don't get freezed by that bitch. No, that's the little motherfucking bitch. You know what? I don't even want to fucking edit this. He just deserves it to be called a motherfucking bitch, so yeah. I got 7. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.